Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. It is pretty safe to bet on continuation of Bitcoin growth for as long as cyclical dollar downturn continues. Analysis.http ntvforex.com News ID B0A573 7/30/2028 02:57 AM. Review. The Dow Jones and broader stock market rallied on earnings news ahead of the Fed meeting, then added to the gains as Fed Chief Jerome Powell spoke. The Dow Jones closed up 0.6%, the S&P 500 1.2% and the Nasdaq Composite 1.35%. According to him, the path of the U.S. economy is going to depend significantly on the course of the virus. The measures taken to keep it in check are critical, Powell said. But some analysts insist that the markets will start to have severe problems if Congress can't reach a deal on a new coronavirus relief package by the middle of next week. The rollback of the state's reopening plans is worrisome for unemployment, and we'll be looking very closely today at the continuing unemployment claims report. Trends. Eastman Kodak said yesterday it signed a letter of interest for almost $800 million loan from the U.S. International Development Finance Corporation. The company will use the money to ramp up the development of Kodak Pharmaceuticals, a division tasked with addressing a national shortage of critical pharmaceutical components, including for the ongoing COVID-19 vaccine trials. Shares of Eastman Kodak surged 143% yesterday to trade at $19.29, after touching a new 52-week high of $21.32 earlier. The number of Robinhood investors holding Kodak stock grew nearly eightfold from Tuesday morning to Wednesday afternoon amid the company's extraordinary rally. COVID-19 vaccine is a magic word combination for markets. Almost any company can reasonably expect to capitalize on reporting anything to do with this kind of infection studies or applications. We expect more low-key market participants to use this magic tool for jumping from nowhere into their moments of glory. Instrument. Bitcoin crossed the $11,000 level and traded near its highest level in nearly a year on Tuesday amid US dollar weakness and a broad shift to alternative assets. The token leaped as high as $11,198.32 before pairing gains and trading below $11,000 later in the day. The bounce cleared a major psychological level that has been there for a long time. Bitcoin's rally comes amid a similar upswing for gold prices. The precious metal reached a record high on Monday as investors bet on heightened inflation expectations. Let us remind our notion that although cryptocurrencies generally speaking failed to demonstrate gold-like safe haven qualities during stock market swings, they are absolute beneficiaries of the US dollar weakness, so it is pretty safe to bet on continuation of Bitcoin growth for as long as cyclical dollar downturn continues. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me/mt5.expert.advisors.